DIY here. I thought I better come and explain that I've now left Stampin' Up. It wasn't an easy decision to make. I've been toying with it for a good year now. I sort of shall I, shan't I, and I'll go with the flow. But I've been with Stampin' Up, or have been with Stampin' Up, 6.5 years. Had a team, met some lovely people, fellow demos, shared some great times at centre stage, on stage. That it was a great experience, but I just felt that it had run its course. I did like lots of other things before I fell in love with Stampin' Up, and I'm afraid it's just got the better of me. I'm seeing so many products I want to use, and I just wish that Stampin' Up had let you have that freedom. But unfortunately, Stampin' Up says it's Stampin' Up and that's it. You don't promote, you don't use other people's products when you're doing your YouTubes, your blogs. So I felt I had no option but to leave. I have started a new blog and I have been using new products, and I came back to YouTube fairly recent. I haven't been back very long, but you'll see that it's not all Stampin' Up, because I was in the throes of I'm not, but now I have. I hope that those of you that follow me on YouTube and follow my blog will continue to follow me on my new journey with the likes of Tim Holtz, the Gemini, the Fall Press. There's so many things I've got planned to use and demo and share my storage ideas, like for my dies, what I keep my dies in, what works best for me. So unfortunately, bye bye Stampin' Up and hello world, because now I feel I can craft. I'm not stressed that I see something and I want it and it's like, I can't have that, it's not Stampin' Up. Well, not anymore. So hope you follow me and come along with me and see what the future brings. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now.